Today we're going to be taking a look at the microphone I've been using for the past 6 months, the SAMSON Q2U, a quote, recording and podcasting XLR/USB dynamic microphone. I purchased this product for £52 on Amazon. As always, there will be links for the US and the UK to purchase this product through a qualifying affiliate link if you want to support the channel. So when I do these reviews, I just like to get into it. Most people are going to baffle you with technological stats, all the ins and outs, but that's not me. What I just want to say is the price that I paid for the microphone was well and truly worth it. The quality of the audio, I feel, is absolutely fine. You're listening to right now is unprocessed audio coming out of the SAMSON Q2U through an XLR input. Now, the USB option of the microphone sounds exactly the same. It just means that it can't really go any louder than this. Here it is. This is the best I can do. Is this listenable quality? I can lean right into the microphone like this, but that's obnoxious. And I can't... Normally I have it to the side, so there's not all of this shit on frame. But with this one, I have to speak fairly straight on into the mic. But the option that the dual USB/XLR sort of qualities of the microphone that it has, what it gives you is it means the following. If you're just beginning and you want to chat on Discord and you want to do, say, a bit of a stream or a bit of a podcast, and you move around sort of computers a lot, like if I could take this out, plug it into my laptop, plug it into someone else's, I can do it straight away. And what this allows me to do is get right into working. If I feel that I want to level up my sort of studio, I can go and purchase a XLR input such as the Behringer UMC22, which is the one I use. I'll link it in the description, and an XLR cable. And if you want to go even further, like I have done, and buy effectively what is called a sort of an amp, a cloud lifter, a stick of dynamite, literal stick of dynamite to give your microphone that kick, you can do that. Now, what this allows you to do then is upgrade to a better microphone. And you're probably thinking, why do I want to sort of buy this microphone to go and have to buy another one? You don't. This microphone is perfect for personally what I use. And I'm sure if you're listening to it now, it sounds great. What you're now going to be listening to is some processed audio coming out of the microphone. And this just shows you the difference in what you can do with a audio editing suite or however you choose to do it. So coming out of the gate, the audio sounds great, and you can, in my personal preference, you can make it sound even better through editing, and it's got that quality to handle that processing, shall we say. So what it came with me, I bought the quote podcasting pack. It came with a little stand. It came with the mount here to fix onto your device. It comes with a little wind sock. It comes with a cheap XLR cable as well, already built in, the self-stand and the USB cable. So for 52 quid, I don't need to baffle you with how many kilohertz and how many this and that and all of that stuff. All I can tell you is, since I've switched to this microphone, I've not had a problem. Anything technical wise, it's always worked. It has a nice little mute switch, which my other device did not have, which it's just great if there's noise going on or people are coming in and out, or you just want to just switch your microphone off for a second and you don't need a hotkey button. And yeah, I've just found it to be a really good, useful device. That's all I've really got to say. If you want to support the channel, you can check out the qualifying affiliate links for the products for the UK and US. And that will give me a small kickback if you decide to buy the product. But I personally think that I've had no issues with it, and I would totally recommend it. I have no hesitation to recommend the product. So thanks very much. That was it. That was your SAMSON Q2U review.